ahead and start here in a second. I just want to fill up my water. I don't know if you heard me, but I'm gonna go fill up my water bottle, then we'll get started on some new rolling stock. All right. Alright, yeah, I know I just literally said that we're going to do rolling stock first, but then I was like, probably should work on the save load stuff real quick and get the boring stuff out of the way before I forget. So, actually, the save load system works more or less just fine right now. From a visual standpoint, it's fixing the industry system, working with it. I could go on to explain it, but we're basically just going to write some code to fix it real quick. I've been meaning to do it. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is so actually here I'll explain what's gonna happen. So every time a car goes to an industry, go to one of our industries, let's go to 86 lumber. In the configuration it has a count of how many cars are destined for that location, and it has a max which is set by an algorithm that I wrote. But so it counts the cars, how many cars are going there, so it knows not to assign more than are supposed to be going there. So I need the saves load system to interact with that, because currently right now it doesn't do anything, and that's going to freak out the industry system and it's going to cause issues at some point in time. I'm just going to go ahead and fix that. So first we got to go to the part where it destroys all the trains. Alright. Let's see, where do we destroy all the trains? Is the audio, the music volume, alright? I'm actually going to turn it off for myself because I'm talking and it's getting in the way. But I'll let you guys listen to it. Okay, here we go. There's what we wanted. Alright, save is just fine. We don't have to do anything. It's loading is the way of the issue. Alright, before we destroy it... Hold on, let me move this microphone so I can type a little bit easier. Cool. Target end is equal to I dot Alright, let's go to one of the cars. Just so I have reference of what I'm working with. I dot. Okay. Oh, higher up. We have to do car mod. Because that's how module scripts work. Equals require. Oh, wait. We gotta. Hold on. We gotta make sure we only do this on freight cars first. So if I find first child. We're gonna want define, so this will only run if the industry system's inside the car, otherwise it's gonna error out. Ah! Well, there we go. Okay. So if it's a piece of rolling stock that has the industry system in it, then I want to get myself a car in mod. This require, so this is how you get the module script. Require. I want to require that module script. No, it won't save any F3 exclamations because that's way too hard. I mean, technically I already made it, but for it to work, it's way too hard. It's the maintenance thing. I would basically have to have like full-time developers literally just sit here, like sit here there and rename unions, because unions are the pain. I could go on about it forever. Like I got it to, okay, so I got it to work. It works. It's just a pain. Because here I'm gonna try and explain it to keep it. Alright, you see how all these unions, so all these things right here are unions? For every single union, no matter how different it is, if there's a slight edit to it ever made, there needs to be an exact copy of it, and each of them have to be new, have the same name if it's the same union, and there has to be an exact copy of it stored on the server. We have to go through every single union we ever create for the entire game and store it. And if we go back and edit it, we have to make sure to go back and edit it in the storage. And it's just way too complicated for us to feasibly add. Yeah, there's going to be a hump yard. Probably the next like major yard is going to be a hump yard. Alright, so hopefully that explains why I'm not doing F3 excavations, because it's just, I can do it. It's just not really feasible. It's not practical, I guess you could say. Alright, back to doing this. Alright, and then we want to get the local target des is equal to in mod.car data. I remember it being car data. Yep, car data.destination. That's what I want. Oh shoot, I don't want that. Oh no, come on. Dot destination, there we go. Alright, and then we want to go through 4 I pairs. Oh wait, no crap, I don't want to do that. Oops, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Autosave at the worst time. Autosave's good, but it's also annoying. X. Workspace, industry system. Industries, because stations are its own thing. Industries. Stations work differently, so we don't have to worry about it. Get children. So now we're going to loop through all the industries and see if we can, and we'll go like this. Local, wait, we'll do this. Oh shoot, that's a problem. That's a problem, guys. Alright, we gotta do some sneaky math. Is loaded. Alright, local car is loaded. Some logic here. And mod.car data. Oops. I want is loaded. But the problem is that I made it so that some of the industries are called the same thing, even though there's two different things for loaded or for incoming loaded or unloading stuff. So there's a lot of complicated stuff I could go into, but I'm sure it'll go right over a lot of people's head. Yeah, they're already in. Here, I'll show you. If I just go out of this, they're sitting right there. This is all the spawner stuff. This is all the save load system and the spawner. So that's the good thing about this is that because in Green Ash was different, the spawner and save load system were two different things. This, if it's in the spawner, it's in the save load system. It's the same thing. Same like group of trains that it pulls out of. So yeah. So here you can see you can pick single stack, you can pick double stack, and you can also pick double stack with a 48 container underneath. When you spawn that in, and it will save it. Because I know a lot of people wanted that. No, the game has not updated yet. And then we'll be working on some flat cars after I'm done with this code, so just bear with the boredom of looking at code. But alright, so we're gonna loop through the industries. And then we're gonna see if x.name is equal to target des. So and x dot hold up industries dot configuration. I'll explain. Do you guys want me to explain what I'm doing to the best of my abilities to someone who has no idea what's going on, or do you want me to just go through it? It's like silently and just talk about it. Let you guys, alright, configuration dot. Okay, no one's responded to that. Okay. That should work. In theory. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be a roughly big update. You know what, while I'm thinking about it? Where is... Oh, there's the, I don't know what the quack is for, but this is what Train Boy's got. We're gonna have to come with car models, so... That looks alright, okay. Back to coding. Alright, that's when we delete the trains. Okay, no one said anything. Do you guys... I would at least want one person. Do you guys want me to explain what the heck's going on when I'm typing code, or do you want me to just sit here and do nothing? Oh yeah. I guess I'll move on while I'm waiting for someone to respond. Oh, we gotta go back to the loading. Oh, you want me to explain? Okay, so I'll go back to what I just did. Alright, so what we did, I already explained. We're getting, so basically, I guess I'll just start from the top. So when the train's deleted before I just typed this code, the industry system, it didn't tell the industry system that it was deleting the car. Basically is what's happening. And it didn't really cause any errors, per se, but there was an error. It's just that it doesn't show up as an error. It's known as a logic error. And there would be errors coming down and stuff would stop working without saying it stopped working. So basically we go through the train, so as we're going through and deleting the cars, any of the trains, if it detects that it's a car with the industry system enabled on it, then it'll go through and find, so basically it's finding the industry that it goes to, and it's telling it that it's removing the car, like it's saying, we're getting rid of a car. I want to break that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'm just making sure that worked. Okay, yeah, so we'll break that. Alright, so that's basically what's happening there. Alright, so now we're going to go back to when it's actually spawning the train in. I got to make it so it tells this industry system it just spawned a train in. Which we can copy pretty much the code I just wrote. Save load. Saving, that's saving. I want my load. Okay, this is my load list. Alright, okay, here we go. Okay. Then we can basically copy the code we just wrote, more or less, I think. And paste it up there where it sets the industry system up. Okay, so we can just replace the mod with that. So everything that says in mod, so mod that car data, destination, that is loaded, yep, sure. We'll just go with that. Workspace, get children, it's target desk. And then is loaded, and then I want this to plus equal 1. Okay, that should work. Hopefully that fixed it. That should fix it. Now, I don't really think I have a way of telling if it fixed it. We'll just roll with it. Alright, so that's what I wanted to do there. Oh, yes. Oh, actually, honestly, I want to do some more code work real quick. I want to do something that you guys will like too. Yeah, this is just the industry. This is just the save and load. Of course, there's things commented out, but yeah. So lots of typing. Alright, so actually, what's going to happen here, we're going to mess with Game Pass, well, developer products. So I have it so that you have the ability, if you want, to purchase in-game money. And since we're going to, there might be cases where your data store for some reason fails, because that does happen sometimes, rarely. It's possible for it to happen, for it to fail, or if we reset. I wanted to make it so that you still get that money back. That money that you purchased. I don't want it just to go away. So we're going to go into, where's our process receipt? Alright, so this is the script that handles money buying. Okay. I want to go local amount. Wait, here we do total amount purchased equals get data store total amount purchased Okay, I was just looking at chat there. Okay, so total amount purchased. So basically, this is going to be the total amount. So every time you buy in-game money, it's going to add to this. And then, so then I have it so that in the leaderboard script, when you spawn in, if it detects that your save is non-existent, so that means you've never had a save on that. So like if we reset the data, your save will be wiped completely. It will, instead of setting it to 0 like normal, it's gonna set it to how much you've purchased before. So when, that's just how that's gonna work. Oh, and I don't know if the one person who's in, I just noticed he was complaining about how trains are gonna be expensive AF. Yeah, no, they're not. So right now, delivering one car to an industry without the double money Game Pass will give you between 10 and 30 cash. Right now in the live game, like the public game you guys can play, it's a lot more than that. I've changed it, I've lowered it. But I'm also making it so trains, like an engine's only going to be like 100. A normal engine, like one of these is only going to be like 100. Something like a steam engine or like a heritage unit when we get to that. Or like engines that are special, or cars that are special, like A&G second anniversary type of stuff. Those will cost more, but not crazy. I'm not gonna go crazy. So yeah, that type of stuff. And then with the save load system, it will save it, so you can save it. And with the save load system, you can buy more than one save. Well, everyone starts with one. Everyone starts with one, at least for now. And then you can either buy with in-game money or the equivalent in Robux straight up. Actually, I can't remember. It might be cheaper with Robux. But you basically can just buy a new save. You can have multiple saves, which will be nice. Alright, so let's go back to adding to this. Data store. Alright, if money, okay, here we go. Get async. Hold on, I always forget how to do this. There we go. Oops, wrong thing. Yeah, user ID, local, wait on. Wait, there's a way to, hold on, let me look this up. There's a way to just increment it, isn't there? Roblox, data. This is how programming works, guys. You just look up the answer. There's a way to increment it. Yeah, here we go. Increment async. But I've never used this before. Hopefully this works. So I want player that user ID. Player.user ID. So even if you change your username, it still works. 100. That should work, right? Anyone at that? I'm assuming that works. We just go down. And then 500, 1,000. Bumping my mic, and I think you guys can hear that. I just got this today, like at, I don't know, like 5 hours ago. I'm still getting used to using this new thing, but oh, we have a 5,000. That'd be bad. I would want like for. Yeah, here's the save count. Let me check that. Let me just go look. 'Cause I really don't. I would rather it to be that. Honestly, preferably, I would rather that it'd be cheaper to buy saves with Robux. Because I'm horrible. Because everything's gonna be like nothing. There's not gonna be no such thing as train behind a Game Pass. It's literally all. It's just that Robux will be a cheat way. So people who have Robux will get things a lot faster because they spend their Robux on it. That's how games like this work. So it is 50, and it's 500 money to buy it. Yeah, I know. I want that to be like 45. Yeah, we'll do 40. No, we'll go 35 because we're nice. And that means we have to go update the UI to counter that. But alright, menu, honor, save load, buy saves Robux. Nope, it's that one. 35. Dang, I almost halved it. Alright. Now it's real cheap. What's the price? Wait, what's the price of everything? So instead of. Actually, that's probably a bad idea. That's way too low. Because then it's pretty much. Might as well just. No, that's fine. No. We'll just roll with it, whatever. Saves are good. That. Okay. All right, now we have to go update the leaderboard. So. Money purchase backed up. Oh. If. Wait. Okay, yeah. Else. Oops. Else. Come on. Kabam. Okay, that should work. Hopefully that never has to happen, but just in case, that should work. If it doesn't work, then deal with it. Alright, we'll publish the game. Alright, now that I got the things off the top of my head, we're gonna go work on some freight cars. Wait for that to publish so the testers can mess with it. Okay, cool. Alright, yep, we already have that load pretty much done. This is, I was doing something, yeah, I was working on this a few days ago. But, something, I got stuck in the middle of it. Get stopped while in the middle of doing it, so we're going to go ahead and, flat car with pipes. I have no idea what this is called, but, you know. Go look up images. Trying to figure this mic out. Problem is if I bump the cord coming from the bottom of it, it also bumps it and makes like a sound because... Okay. This is basically what I was going for, roughly. Because it's simple. Okay. Just this. They don't get skinnier. Let's see. Let's look at a better load. All right. This is more of what I was going for. This is actually what I was going for. Okay. So we got that. It's the same amount. It's the same amount with wood there. I'm not going exactly like this. I'm not that crazy, but we're gonna go basically the same thing. Oops. Wait, that means we can just copy the wood and the load. Oh wait, we want to name all of this load so that it, because that's how the load, save load, the industry system handles stuff. All right, we don't need any more wood pieces, right? All right, so we can union that to be wood load, unload. Alright, and then we can go and we'll open that back up. So it goes... How many cross is this? 4. Look at that! I didn't even look. I wasn't even looking at this picture. I looked up something else and what was there... Can I find the image I was looking at? I don't know. I was looking at some image, but I like this image a lot better. That looks like a really nice flat car. It was probably really expensive though. That load looks real nice. Oh, intermodal yard? That's already a thing. I'll show you real quick. Hold up. I already made that. I think I need some more scenery detail, but there's one down here. I don't think I've shown any pictures of it. But yeah, we pass Ashley Yard, and we go down another incline, and then at the top we've got intermodal yard. More work needs to be done on it, but it's there. Oh, race on. Alright, back to working on this. So we need 3 of these. Okay, we'll just position them like so, and like so. They're floating, not good. Okay. And then 2, I'm assuming. Oops, that was wrong button. Okay, and then like that. I think that looks pretty good. We'll add the chains and stuff. Let's see how do I want to do those chains, because those are gonna be a pain in the bum. Probably can use Archimedes to make it real nice and simple. No, no, Newbridge there is no Game Pass. Like, there's no such thing as a Newbridge. Oh yeah, the EOT. I have plans to do that. We can do that in a little bit, I guess. I want to make this load though. I've been putting it off. Alright. We'll go ahead and do this. And separate it so that I can have all but one. Just so that I can take apart. Alright, and I'm gonna call it strap for now so I can easily... union these things. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and just like do it like this. Question is how to... Alright. We're gonna need to make it... I wanna make it white. I'll make it look nicer later. I just wanted to make it white so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, and then I'm gonna make it meet in the middle. Luckily, I should be able just to copy and paste the strap all the way down the car. Because lazy bum. That's not good. I don't like how I... Which way is positive? Okay, I'm going up, okay. Alright, that looks alright. And then let's increase their height a little bit. Wait, how do they... Wait, what? How do they not have the same Y value? 1395? They do, 1395. 1.395. Oh shoot. There we go, that looks a little bit better, alright. Plugins, launch, Archimedes. And we'll go like this until we like it. Yeah, about there. Alright, so then we'll just do the same thing on the other side. Well, we could always mirror it. There's a mirror plugin, but I'll just do it this way. They keep moving. They move the size thing on me. Size 631. There. Invert. Oh no, flip axis. That's not right, is it? That's not good. I don't like that. I don't like that height. And let's try one more tick mark up. More tick mark up. And now it's not touching. It's okay if it's a little in. What size is that? 656. Alright. What do you mean spawn your screen? I can't get all the way down because it's stuck. What does that mean? Oh, let me make sure. It says excellent connection. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to doing it. Working. Alright. Wow. We're gonna go ahead and just... You know what? We are gonna do the mirror. plugins, launch. And we are just gonna go. However, I'm just gonna go like that. All right. Okay. It's close enough. It's row scale. Don't matter. Alright, and then I'll go ahead and add plugins, launch, like that. There we go. I think that looks pretty. I think that's a little thick, isn't it? Thick boy. Alright. Oh, made that too small here. And then we got. Whoops. 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 That looks better. Alright, let's try. Where's that too thick? Wow, it's row scale. No, it's too thick. I think it's too thick. Can't make it any smaller that way. What about? Does it look good when it's as small as it can be? Without making it a mesh? Which would be a pain. Could do that. Rather not. Alright. Alright. That looks decent, I guess. It's really thick. We'll try coloring it. Okay, what color are they on the load? It's black. Well, they have that extra loop, but I really don't want to do that. Because I'm lazy. If anyone noticed the Discord bot, I'm lazy. What happens if I go like that? It's still thick. It's just not thick up there. I think it looks better if we do that. Especially if you're from far away, it looks alright. Okay, we're just going to roll with that. Yeah, we're just going to roll with that. Okay. Yeah, plugins are interesting. Here, I'll show off the plugins that I have active right now. So I have my track laying plugin, Beat version 2, that I made. Basically allows you to make track really quickly. Especially, I mean, I don't use the custom like part thing, but basically what I do is I select the track handle between one track and another track and generate the track between. It makes yards and like straight sections. Real easy. Track snap, of course. This stuff's only every once in a while. I don't even need this. Brush tools rarely, because I barely do scenery anymore, thanks to my scenery divs. Nice. Reflect is a don't use it. I don't use most of these, especially like waterfall generator. I'm gonna go ahead and turn some of these off, because I really don't need them. Don't need model resize. Fine, that's fine. Fine. Don't need a waterfall gen. Okay, there. There's that. Alright, we'll go ahead and union the straps here. Alright, let's see. Flat car with pipe. Alright, well, we definitely need to put it down over here so that we can. Now the fun part is we get the eyeball list. We could do this mathematically, but that takes a lot of effort and brain power. Alright, and then we can do one in the middle roughly. That looks roughly in the middle. How many do we want to do? We'll do a few more. These are big pipes. Alright, let's see what everyone's talking about. Of course I have my chat to the left of me, and the microphone's in front of me, so... Yeah, so the nice thing with ops is because we have the save load system, it's gonna be real nice. Well, I guess I could just put a strap between each one of these things. Just eyeballing this, so at some point I'm gonna be like, that's not right. But that looks okay. Union. Load. Union. Hopefully that works. Okay, looks like it worked. Loads. Now we only have 3 unions for the load. Okay, cool. Energy system, is it? Call it pipes. Probably have some like some sort of alright, industry system, truck frames, yep. Okay, cool. We have generic flat, we got the pipes, we got the alright. Oh, on the new controller. Oh, okay, I can show that off. 6? How many do I have on here? I think it's 7. I have 7, yeah, okay. But I can show the new controller real quick. It's alright. I haven't worked on it in like a week. Oh man, lately time's been going really slow, but oops, wrong thing. Let's show it off. But yeah, so for the articulated cars, like the 3 set and the 5 set, I'm probably not gonna add that just because laggy. Well, the way I was doing, I guess I could do it another way. Oh yeah, military. Oh, making the tank is the hard part. Because I'm not a builder. Okay, so here's the fun testing game. Here's some water. Alright. It's not much of a game, it's literally just a little section of straight. It's 200 studs of straight track with some grain cars. But you can... Okay, it's still a little finicky, but you can climb like you can on Newbridge. But you can jump on the train. And you're always like this, there's no way to get big. And then you can like open and close the doors and stuff. Still have to do the interior, but... And then you can turn... This is how you turn the engine on, it's not on the controller anymore. But yeah, so... Got your train here. Oops, let's open the door back up. Okay. Well, especially first person's kind of finicky, but we can open the controller. Address like normal. So then we have the horn doesn't work yet because I broke it, but the bell works. Lights, there are no lights, so there's no lights. However, there is the throttle. Which I still need to change the values on how fast it accelerates and decelerates. There's a lot of work to be done with that, but... You can play with the... Yeah, the acceleration rate and all that's kind of effed, but... Yeah, there's bugs with it, so you know. It's okay. Insulated auto racks. I've never heard of it. I have no idea. I honestly don't know. They're an auto rack. That's all I care about. It's an auto rack. But okay, so that's a car. So Humvees. The problem is I have to make the vehicle, and I have no idea how well that would go. There's something else that I can easily make on a flat car. I know Rafe, if you're watching this, how's the steel coil cars coming? But search Google about. Okay, that's a good point. You got me there. Auto racks. That's an insulated auto rack. What? Guess what I got? I got tank cars. The heck is an auto rack? So just an auto rack. Oh, does an insulated auto rack just mean it's got the frickin' cover on it instead of the old timey things like these? Not these. The real auto racks. Who cares about the old stuff? Old stuff is old stuff because it's not as good as the new stuff. Is that what it is? Hey, I'm streaming. I can't see what's on Discord. Hold up. Alright, I'm looking at Discord as... Oh, okay. I'll look at it in a minute here. Someone pinged me in another server. Okay, look. Okay, now I'm looking at Discord instead of doing streamy stuff. Alright, well, Rave said to go look at, Discord. I'm gonna minus out Discord here. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna go to our little... Wait, alright. We're gonna go find Rafe's, steel coil car. I think I know where it is. Let's go check, actually, if he's over. Does he have it over there? What's this down here? Nope, that's a part. Okay. Take two, we're gonna go to the model safe place. It's got everything except for the modern stuff. It's 10:40 at night. What? Then if I 30,000? Yeah, I don't know anything about trains. So it's probably Santa Fe for 3,000, but and engine. Like I thought. At 3,000. I'm just an idiot. Okay. I feel like someone's made that before. Pretty sure someone made that before. Oh, okay. So train fan. for Newbridge, it's because the UI is so small, is why I have it that way. So D means destination. That's the place you actually take it to. DY is the yard closest to it. So like when you're in an operation or something like that, that's the idea. So like in an operation, you take that car to that yard and the local originates. So like it's the closest, it's the destination yard. So it's the closest yard to your destination. Or like the yard that you're supposed to originate the local at. So the idea, if you're running a big train, you drop the cars off at like a mainline train, you drop them off at the DY. And then the local will take them to the destination. That's the idea. Of course, you can do it however you want. D is the part that will give you money. I feel like someone's made this engine before. No idea. No idea though, I just feel like I've seen it before. We're looking for a steel coil car. Oh, Rafe's over here, okay. Oh, nice. He's got this. Alright, cool. Nice, 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 nice. We got the nice spick and span. Oh yeah, or the hump yard would be like that. It has automatic sorting. It will probably. No, I don't know. That's actually because trains lag really easy. I don't know if that will work very well. Think about making retarders for the hump. Someone else said that they were gonna attempt to do it, and I was like, fine. Fierce, I think it was you if you're still on. It was like you said you're gonna patent it, and I'm like, okay. And then you left the VC, and I told Rafe, I was like, yo, let's gotta do it first so that we can patent. Yeah, we're gonna have it. We're gonna have both. We just need the load. Make a load for it. So okay, cool. All right. I'll look at it in a minute. I'm trying to figure out if there's more flat cars here. Let's see, 89-foot flat. What if we did aircraft frames? But then people probably want wings. Oh, I probably should make it so you can carry trailers on these things. Things are stupid long. And the G-Vote, nice. Milk. Oh, man. There's no way. That must be like a really like stretched out image. There's no way that's 89-foot flat car. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's 50 feet. Holy cow! 90 bucks for a flat? It's because it's the load. The car's like $30-$40. The load is what's gets you. Those are so expensive. Okay, speaking of my microphone, I just wondered if I could hang it upside down. I'll play with it tomorrow. Because right now, I like bump it all the time. I wonder if I can hang it upside down so it's coming down from above. It'd be cool to see like... Our trailers are 53 foots, so... Oh yeah, I also need to make a container version. We'll do that in a second. We'll do it real quick in here in a second, but how many trailers are actually? I think it's 2. Uh-oh. That means this isn't to scale. Actually, I think they can fit a 53 and a 48 foot, or whatever. Yeah, that's not a 50 foot. Oh, that's cool. It looks like it's 3D printed. Or resin printed. Yeah, it's N scale, so probably a 3D printers. They're so cool. I still think they're... No, that's... Yeah, that's like a 48 and a 53. Okay, okay. Oh, a work train. Yeah. That'd be cool too. Alright, let's... I'm gonna do the container spine car real quick. Find car. Container. Just because I can get rid of the load parts. Load. Quick. And then we just go this. And then we go like that. And delete your industry system and replace it with the Wellcars industry system because it's the same thing except for what load it's got. And then we just have to go find the load. Okay. Load, load. Get rid of you. I want you. I want you. Right now it's just random colors. At some point I will make a logo. Well, we will have logos for these things. Right now. Whoops. Right now we don't. Okay, let's try and get this. I remember these never being perfectly centered anyways. Oh yeah, fun fact. So yeah, how we were just talking about 3D printers, where I mentioned 3D printers. So my dad has one. And I downloaded this container model, this exact container model that Amtrak made way back. And I actually have 2 of these on my HS scale layout, on my intermodal train. They're not the nicest, definitely not the nicest looking containers. But it beats paying, having to pay like $12 for a container. They're just like, there's ones in blue filament, they're not painted or anything, or decals, they're just flat out blue and white filament. But then they're glued together. But they're cool. It makes it so that you at least have well containers in your train. I don't know when we're gonna update the game exactly. I don't know. It's just like, I don't know how to explain it. It's almost like you just feel like updating it. Like you just know. After, because I've been doing this for 2.25 years now. You just like know when it's time to update these things. Like you just start getting I just start getting a feel for how this stuff works. The experience talking. Okay, now we have the container. Wait, and they're just random colors out of a list. Okay, we have the other, some off about it, but it's fine. It's better than my attempt that I made a few months ago. Okay. We have those. We have the grain car. We got the tank. Okay, flat cars. Duh. Oh yeah, and the steel coil car. I can make a load for those real quick. Okay, hold on. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and yoink. Paste into. Okay, now. Okay, hold on. It's basically you can make the load form if you want, Rafe. And also, can you, like I said in the, you make the rounded top too? Just personally, I prefer that. Okay, hold on. Where is the chat guy? If you look at global projects, it's got the second picture, the rounded. I personally like the one you already did, the wedged top, but I think it'd be nice to have a variety of hoods. So then I'll wait for Rafe to work on those. Is there anything? Oh yeah, I guess I can show you the Coke car. This is currently the Coke car that we got. Won't be added in the next update though, because there's nowhere to take it. So, yeah. And actually, I'm going to go into here and we're gonna go. We're gonna make them 2 separate cars. Because instead of being a random chance of being white, because the problem was that the road numbers are still white when it changes. Could code it to change, but just make it so you can choose which one you get. It's actually easier to do it this way than it is to code it. Faster, that's for sure. Alright, black. And then we want the body to be white. Better to have a gray, or is like an actual pure pearl? There. There we go. This car is really thick. Wait. Why move still? Switch your piece. The locomotive flips over and slip your duck bug with that. Oh, a baggage car. Yeah, that'd be cool. Too. There's so many things. It's just the amount of effort. Oh wait. Okay. The only. Whoa. Is that a mesh? Yeah. So like, what the heck? All right. We'll come back later to that. Trying to think of what I want to do. It's like, it's the trick. The problem is that you need the motivation to work on it. So I'm trying to think of something that's interesting enough that motivates me. So we'll keep looking through this. Black car, black car, black car, black car, black car. Black car, black car, black car. Oops, I opened another link. No. Oh yeah, the ore car. Need to add that back. Need the industry for it, so. Limestone down by the beach. Water. Does limestone form in the mountain? Does limestone form in the mountain? Because I've been wanting it. Oh, it does form in the mountain. It says mountains. Wikipedia is the most accurate source on the internet. I'm just kidding. Don't. I mean, it's good if you're not, as long as you're not doing like a research paper or something legit, something like just really important. If you're just doing something for a hobby or something, like that's basically what I'm doing, this is good enough. I really doubt any geologist that cares about limestone is gonna play the game, so Okay, let's see. Contain fossils. Limestone often contains fossils. Yeah, about 20. I just want to know where it's found. What? I want to know where you can find it. United States? Oh, that's interesting. Where can I find it? Such in the iron and steel industry. Okay. Where the hell? Where can I find it? Well, that doesn't look like a mountain. Oh, it says that's in past tense. Had. Did it like erode away? Or is that limestone? That looks... I'm trying to figure out where you can find it. Does anyone know? I wasn't even looking at the, okay, car. Plasma. You see, my idea is that I kind of want to put a limestone mine. Someone a while ago suggested limestone, and I've been meaning to do it for like a 2 or 3 months now. So it's like a month actually. It's only been a month or 2, not 3. No way. Where the heck? That looks like a mountain. Ancient limestone reef. I know it's found by water. Why am I stressing over this so much? Let's get off Wikipedia. Let's find something else. Shallow parts of the ocean. Yeah, ocean. Why are there mountains on mounds? Yeah, we're just gonna... you know what? We're gonna make a limestone quarry in the mounds. Do we care? No. How many people are watching? 18. Damn, we got a whole party on. Hey, guess what? You just said it was mined in eastern United States. Guess where this game's located? The eastern United States. That's good. I'm talking about up and down. I'm talking about is it in the mountains or if it's by the coast. It looks like it's mostly found like underwater, but which is how it's formed from what I've known. From what I've seen, it's water, but mountains, it can be in the mountains because of rainwater over millions of years is what that post. I just bumped my microphone. Cement is coming. Cement is coming. Yeah, I'm drunk on water. Alright, let's go. Limestone. And we're just gonna use the freaking rock hoppers that Amtrak main used. Unless I find... wait, what carries limestone? Limestone train. Let's see. Made it plural. Yeah. We're gonna use those things. Wait, are those the CSX ones? Me moving my head across the monitor to try to look around the car, but that's not how images work. Man, there's so few limestone trains. Montana. Huh. Well, whoever suggested it's probably from Montana or something like that. Oh wait, this is from Kentucky. Yeah, that's close enough to me. Okay. Alright, time to build some choo-choo trains, boys. Oh wait, we probably can... well, while we're doing cars. We might as well do this while we're doing cars. Okay. Where is the rock hopper? There it is. Let's fix them up. Wait, where's my coke? First step, delete everything. Delete the CSX reporting marks, because that's how life works. Okay. Step 2. Copy stuff out of the coal car. This has a base ring. That's a problem. Okay. That is a big problem. Otherwise, it don't worky. Alright, must have base. Otherwise, it breaks. Ah, no. Doesn't have a base, it won't work. Okay, so now that's fixed. Keep bumping the microphone. Heck. Alright, there we go. Alright. Limestone. Limestone's like white, isn't it? Go like... that looks weird. Limestone doesn't really look like that, but... Okay, hold on, okay, transport petroleum. You mean petroleum? Limestone trying to... Okay, Montana... Full fun fact. Wait, does this have rib? That does have a ribbed body. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the music back on. Although I am gonna turn it down a little bit, because otherwise, it's gonna drive me crazy. Ready? Eventually we'll come up with more railroads. Actually, I have another railroad that I've come up with, but wait, I'm gonna paint these cars like a dark gray, just like that. What color is that? Smoky gray. Oh, it's the same color. The idea is... Well, these really should be like white because it's limestone, huh? Okay, we'll place these in. Those a little bit. Slightly. So, okay, so you should add real trains, but make it a Game Pass. Okay, so. That would make... I don't know if that's worse than just having the trains in your game in general. Gets rid of the whole point of me, well, one of the points of using fake trains. Okay, back to the model safe place. What's that? What's that? What's up, Brave? Oh, you finished surrounded. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool. We're gonna I'll copy this in a second. Give me a minute, I want to finish this. Probably should really make these white. I'll make these white. Just cause, like, I make the Coke cars brown, gray because, well, that's how I found pictures of them in real life, but... Okay, now the load looks really weird. Maybe it's because of the material. That looks better, I think. Wait, what color were the... I got rid of them. Okay, hold on. Limestone tree. What color were the cars? They were like a white, weren't they? Those are brown. These are like... We'll make them gray. Hold up. Alright, we made them gray. I don't know if I like that into... There. Yeah, okay. So, Rafe, are you gonna do the load for the uncoiled for the cars that don't have the top, or do you want me to do it? I don't care. Whoops, I bumped the frickin' mic again. My bad. Alright, so these won't be added for a while. Okay, then I'll just let you build it if you're gonna do it at all. Yeah, I know. The one in the coil, that's why I had Rafe make a new one, cause they look really bad. Where are they? I think they're in here. Did it? Yeah, it's over here. Okay. Just a comparison. We'll line them up. So this is what happens. You know what, Rafe? Yours, I don't know. Are yours a little small? Short? I think the hood's a little short. Hold on, let me look up. I think your hood might be, it shouldn't be too hard to fix. Let me see if I can find one next to a boxcar or something. Too bad I don't have a coil car handy. Like a scale one. I mean, it looks like your size is right. I think you got it right from looking at them. I just want to make sure, because I just feel like... Just get me a picture of a manifest. Do I have to look at a YouTube video or something? Because I'm curious, because I don't want to go on and add it to the game and it being too small. You know what, let's wait. Do this. If I were to hook this up, what it would look like. I think it's partially because it's white. I can't tell. Alright, we're going to YouTube. Find the video. A video with it. Come on. Stream's hogging up all the internet, so it's taking forever. Oh, he's going scale train style and getting a bunch of different sizes. Videos. I'm just looking for one of my videos to see if I can find it. Here, this will work. Okay. Let's see. Come on! Load, load, load. I want theater. Let's not make it too full screen. Come on. We're just streaming another YouTube video. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with that? See, is this an auto-rack train? Here, now let's skip to the manifest. Hopefully it's got coils on it in the video. This train was huge. Come on. Are there coil cars? Wait, is that a coil car? I think that is. Okay. Whoops. Thud. I hit the mic again. Definitely gonna move it tomorrow. At least attempt to. Alright. So, according to the video, for this car, if assuming that this car is built to scale. Oh, okay. It's so close. And of course, some of them are higher than others. So that's like the one that you did. Oh, that's so close. Too bad I'm not higher. It looks real close. What do you think? Rafe, can you see that? So if you're looking at yours, and I'll hold mine. It looks real close. I don't think you have to touch it. Are they, wait, hold on. Are they the same height? Are the two coil cars the same height? No, that was tough. I think they're fine. If they just look off because the coil cars are actually so small. I think it's fine. Well, let's keep looking at more coil cars. Oh, this is the tall NS one. Yeah, I think they're fine. Wait, here's some more coil cars. Good old manifest. Oh, that's what's off about your copper. Some are like that, like yours. Some come, this back hood thing comes down farther. That's what's tripping me out. I'm thinking of these. No, the model's fine. It's just my brain's broken. Like, those are lower than the other one. There's just so many different variations. Now we're sitting here rail fanning, but you know, whatever. Okay, back to music. I'll get you music back. Yeah, I think it's fine. Alright. Did I move it or did I copied it? Okay. I'm assuming that since by you're not doing anything, it's good to go. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and yoink these and fix them up to Newbridge V2 standards. So, and then we. Okay, well, I think all these are fine. That piece, okay. Now your car, you're normally pretty good at leaving the coil cars blank, and I like it. Got them all coil, perfect. I want these to be called load. The only difference, and then I want these, the hood and the hood top, to be called load. Okay. So, well, the nice thing is, all I have to do... You know what? We're gonna do the lazy way. I hope you didn't make any edits to the car bodies. Because I just... want yeet. We're gonna make edits to one car. And then just plop the hoods on the copies of it. Foil there, and then I just have to copy the... This is the yeah, I don't want to copy it out of you. I want to copy out of something else, like this. All right, we'll go like this and go thunk. Oh, we don't need the space there at all. Then the question becomes, do we use... What color do we use all this? Wait, hold up. Where are the coil cars reporting marks? Ah, not oil. Coil car. Okay, images. Wow, we're still at... Okay, where's the reporting marks again? It's right there, that's what I thought. Any votes on what color coil cars we should have? Probably... And then I'll throw the E's right above that axle. Alright. Then E's right above that axle. Pretty much the same spot. Well, I guess I can look up what's the most popular color coil car. I like the Conrail or rusted. These are cool. With the BNSF ones, I guess. Guess we could go like a storm gray or whatever the heck it's called there. Don't need this open anymore. Oh, the fun part is... Oh good, you left the base. I'm not union all the... Oh. Shoot. Uh-oh. There's several parts called base. Oh, I see what's going on. Skirt. Then the skirt can be... So there only can be one part called base. In Newbridge. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna change what music's playing here. I just want... Lo-fi. Okay. Blue, black, and gray. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, broken trains and stuff on the... Oh, let's go. Just gonna go like this. Oh my gosh, how many wedges are there? Assuming that these are in order. Okay. Oh, did I miss one? I missed one. Yep. Okay, we're gonna do this just so I can name all of these the same thing. Body, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and yoink, yoink. Go ahead and union all of that together. To make it painting it easy. Alright, so now if we take the skirt, that, and then we can make a nice... I want a little bit lighter of a color, I think. We'll go ahead and do that for the no hoods. 0.025. Go like this. And for the loads, no points. We'll go ahead and just get rid of it. Oh yeah, I don't want to call these loads. Oops. Because I don't want them to disappear. Name hood. Hood railing, I guess. Down a bit. at some point the cars will have more paint schemes and stuff. It's just a lot of work. Because one, you have to figure out the paint scheme, and then you have to like code it, and then because it's a lot easier to code it so that it changes. All right. What color did you say? Blue, green, black. Okay. All right. What if I did this? What do these look like with the same color hoods? Oh shoot. Oh, the fine details. I shouldn't have removed the hood, but oh well, that's what I get for trying to save time and effort. I get more time and effort. Yay. Well, what does a black hood look like on top? Oh, that just looks dumb. We'll stick with the same colors for now. Oh. Wedge hood is what I'm gonna call it. Oh wait, I think I can. Is that the same one? Yeah, it's the same. He used the same thing, so I can just remove. Can I just copy the position? We'll find out. It'll get close, I think. Oh wait. Oh shoot, wrong way. Shoot. Wait, no. Copy. Paste. Then I want to copy your position, delete you, and then paste. Okay. Well. Then to have the same color, just so that doesn't look too... Alright, well, we probably can have like a fleet of stuff. Yeah, that's why we stopped using them, because they were laggy. I mean, I didn't even I noticed it was lagging. I'm like, hold up. So I asked Discord, are these things, is the game lagging more than usual? And then it was about overwhelming number. I was like, yeah. So I was like, yep. That's also why we stopped using the rotating bogies. Because, I mean, it's just not worth it. I don't know about you, but I'd much rather have my gameplay, smooth gameplay in nice long trains than rotating bogies. Alright, we'll make a coil car script. Here. So all these things are literally the same thing, but... oh, they already have a random road inside of them. Whoops. We'll leave the same thing. Alright. Well, let's rework this. Local random color equals math dot random. What? Random 1, and we'll do 3 for now. We'll just do it this way. For I Script. If I is a part, wait no, a what's it called? Now we'll just do that. If I dot name is equal to body or skirt or so body skirt base. Oh, we need base and hood, right? For I that name. Oops. Hood. Then actually, hold on. We'll just do it this way. Local color. I dot color equals color. Color 3 dot from RGB. This is gonna be our normal one. Oops, we gotta do a comma. We got, oh wait, number of colors. Alright, we'll see how many colors actually fit. Right, we'll do it on this one. Skirt, base, body, hood. What's a nice color? Oops. Not sure if I like that color. We use that color, why not? What other colors? Black. That was an idea. Whoops. I want skirt, base, body. Yep, we'll just do black. There's a chat going on. Okay, let's see what's the chat. I have to do it on the other one. Okay, so that looks like that. Body, skirt, base. Freaking bright yellow. What if we did a medium stone gray one? Color 3 that from RGB. Yeah, Rafe made the coil cars. He's been working on it for a day or two now. I'm just editing them. Ooh, like a baby blue maybe? I'm thinking steel blue is what they're calling it. I don't know what baby blue actually is. I'm gonna look it up because I'm curious. Baby blue. What is that color actually? I want the color. Oh, it's that color. Okay, so it's like that blue. How many are watching right now? 12? Okay, it's getting late, so you know. Currently only JS Steel. by Sharonville Yard. There's gonna be more places soon. Don't worry. Soon enough. That's why we're making steel cola cars. It's the thing is we have to make a whole supply chain for each of the industries. So. All right. Thinking. Okay, which one's got the? Okay. Okay. Well. Clunk, clunk. All right, I want to vote right now. Type in the chat Y, with the letter Y, if you want to vote yes, and the letter N for no. Okay, you guys ready? All right. Flashing. Should we make the EOTs, the red EOT light flash when it's visible, like it was in Classic? All right. That was kind of a dumb question, wasn't it? Oh yeah. You know, okay, that's a good idea. That you have a good point. All right, if there's a free audio or air, can find. Okay. You hear that? I want to turn off the music. I want you guys to tell me if this sounds good. Here's the first one. Kind of high pitched. I can make it lower pitched, but. We'll go ahead and. Alright, so the thing is, we'll go like this. Oh shoot. We'll put it in the light. Need a script and a sound. Oh shoot. I'm not gonna do it on the locomotives. Just gonna be on. It's only gonna play when the EOT is activated on a car. Oh, I don't like how that doesn't loop correctly. Hold on, let's see if this will do the other one. Too obvious of a loop. Gosh, why do these have to suck so bad? I've seen engines with locomotives with EOTs on them. I'll go ahead and make it so you can hear my PC real quick. Okay, so just there so you guys can. The problem is it sounds good, it's just that it doesn't loop correctly. Alright, is this the one this is the better one, I think. Yeah. script dot parent dot change connect function. If we'll do it this way. Local light part equals script. Okay, else. Okay, so if it's visible, play. Stop. Can I change it with the script how long this is? Here we go. Yeah, power plant's planned. Oh, only can be read from. Dang it. I wanted to change it. Oh well. Enum dot. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is making it flash now. Which probably gonna make it go to smooth plastic. Oh shoot. Smooth plastic. Okay. So if it's neon, else stop. All right. We'll see what that sounds like distance-wise. Yeah, I know. That's what we're doing. We're making it so. Oh man, this the industry system's not having it. It's a little too loud, I think. Actually, I'll leave it like that because I have no idea how loud the rolling stock sounds would be. Alright, we'll leave it like that. However, I want this to be like that. Alright. And we'll go like this. rear or front, then Cyclone. Oh no. Shoot. Oh crap. Did I just... Try that again. Okay. Well, that means, guess what we gotta do? We gotta delete all the freight cars. And copy them all back in, except for the ones we don't want in game. Which are those two? Right? Is that it? I think those are the only two ones. Okay. Now, in theory, this should work. We'll find out. Gonna be laggy. Okay. Oh man, it's 11:51 my time. Okay. Alright, we're gonna quickly yank that back to where it belongs. Time for a legit playtest. And we gotta save the game in here too. I gotta go to a place with the name. How many we still got with this? We still got 13, holy moly. I think they're from the music. Here, we'll skip it. Oh yeah, it's called Fireflies in Camp. From the music. Okay. CSX? What do you mean by CSX? Alright. Hey, but Minecraft music is copyrighted. Pretty sure it is, at least. You know... Yeah. Never mind, I said you know, and then I was like, never mind. Alright, let's try and load this in. Is this done saving? Okay, I'm gonna close out of it. It just published this. I'm gonna close out of both of these. Because streaming takes up lots of processing power. I should add C and W. Problem is, technically I can't. Technically. You can do X. C&W. Yeah, this is some good chill music. I started a little bit ago. I started right before the stream started up. I was starting to make my own custom playlist of music, and then I was like, yeah, this is gonna take way too long. So I stopped. But yeah, I really gotta start writing down songs and stuff that I like. Cause some of the songs, a lot of the songs in these playlists are good. Some of them I just like don't like listening to. All right. Did I add a? Oh yeah, milepost 49. No wait, no. 45, 44. Rave song. Okay, and then spawners. Yeah. Let's grab a loco just so we can move it to make sure everything. We'll grab a GP9. Then. Let's see. Those should work. Black car with pipes. That's not good. It did not load. Oh. Okay, so that means all the flat cars are like that. Okay, we'll fix it in a minute. What about the coil cars? Coil cars are fine. Alright. Well, Rafe, you can continue doing what you're doing, whatever you want to do, but I'm going to get back on the editor and fix my flat cars, because I broke it. And it's because those flat cars are from the old game. Like I've told people, I can't just add stuff to Green Ash. It won't work. It does what that just happened. It falls through the map. Gotta do work to fix it. Can't just go clunk. Studio be taking forever, huh? Still loading. Alright. What sucks? Pretty much have to remake the flat card. Kind of sort of there-ish. Basically. Oh no, I really do have to remake the flat car. Gosh darn. Actually no, we'll do it the easy way. Everything but that part is called a body piece. We're gonna do this 3 times, sadly, but we're gonna have to go. And then. Alright. 10. Alright, so 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2. 6, 7. Alright, now that car's fixed. Except for the fact that I have to fix the color. Alright, so we gotta do the same thing for all of these. Come on. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Alright, we want to go then body. And then bam. And then you. Which we do 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6. There we are. And then we have to do the same thing yet again. Body. Could just copy this, couldn't I? Just go like that. Oh, but sadly now there's a gap. Alright, yeah, we'll just go ahead and fix that. Because unions be unions and they mess up your builds. That's how they do things. Nope. Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Well, shite. Well, that did work, I guess. Okay. Yeah, no, we can't. Oh, shoot. Okay, now those look better. Copy. Alright, let me look at chat again. Oh yeah, I have to fix the name too. Yeah, you're right. The rounded. So actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and yoink all those and just re-add all three of them. I spawned all the way over here because that's what they do, is make my time spent chasing trains. Haha, chasing trains, that's funny. You get it? Because, like, you're chasing... Alright. There we go. Hopefully, our lovely trains are fixed now. So that we can play with our flat cars. Alright, publish. Well as file. Save to Roblox. Probably should turn Team Crate on this, shouldn't I? But whatever. Okay, time to play. Alright, okay, back to looking at chat. Okay, joining server, joining server, joining server. We'll leave studio up this time. Let's give it a sweet old time. Alright, and Rafe joined. Up, and Rafe has fallen over. Yoink that train. Alright, let's try this again. Rounded hood. Yay. No hood. Spawn. Spawn. Wedge hood. Looks like it's working. Yep. Okay, the random colors are working. Frame. Alright, I want to see flat car 89. Pipes. Does that work? Gosh darn it! Why didn't it work? Oh, don't tell me it's because... Oh, face palming moment. Face palm moment. So, you know how I said it wasn't the right orientation? It was. It was because it was a union that it wasn't the right orientation. 1, 2, 6, 7. Six, 7. Okay. Yeah, they were fine. Dang it. Yeah. You can see. Oh yeah, duh, the stream's delayed. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's go and fix these things. They look alright. Okay, yeah. Okay. Alright, paste into. Grab the trains again. Server storage. Be hilarious if all along it was that last server we just joined was an old server. That'd be hilarious. No, it wouldn't. It would be hilarious, but it wouldn't be hilarious at the same time because I'd be annoyed. All right, publish successfully. Save this world. Alright, well. Alright, that was published. Alright, cool. Yes, exactly. Please wait, please wait, please wait, please wait, please wait. Okay. It's 8 in the morning. 8 minutes into the morning. But we be streaming, and it's okay. Alright. Rafe, is this a new server? I think it is. Yeah, it is a new server. This time? Alright, let's go. I was looking at Discord a little bit, cause... No, I don't even... No, well, alright, we're just gonna grab a... Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Elko. Oh yeah, by the way, where would you guys like to see another spawner? I think I know where I'm gonna put one. pipes? Will you... Hey! I got it! It's working! It's working! It's working! Oh my god! It's working, guys! These actually look pretty cool. Alright, let's not make them loaded. What car did you spawn that made it freak out like that? That's a problem. Oh yeah, they should have the... Which car was it? Do you know? Hey, well, it's making... and it's flashing. What was? Something's freaking out. Okay. Let's, you don't know? Okay, so a car of some sort. Dang, so I mean we're gonna have to replace all the cars again, but oh well. At least these cars work. Oh, I know what's going on. I messed up the script, Lels. I'm gonna turn that off before I go crazy. I know what happened. I'll fix it in a sec. I just want to make sure these trains work. Heck? Okay, that was weird. It wasn't loading the horn for me. You guys can hear this. Well, we got the flat cars to work. It's just that the EOT doesn't work the way it's supposed to, and I know what it is. Rafe, I'm gonna get you out of your way, and I'm gonna stop this train. Well, of course, all these cars don't have industries to go to. Maybe I'll probably... Actually, you know what? Well, once I fix the EOTs, I'll add the other 2 cars, just so people can play with them. But the thing is... Oh, man, these cars actually look real nice. Oh, boy. Alright. Well. I'm gonna go fix some cars. Alright, so... We're gonna have to make a new... we have to make a new script. Well, we have to, well, yeah, we will have to, so we will have to make a new script and a new script, but, alright. Let's do this. Local EO, so here I'll explain equals, actually. So basically what was happening is every time the light flickered, it was running this function and it was being annoying. Okay, so oh wait, no. Okay, so now if the EOT's on, we're just basically rewording this. B. Hold on, you guys, does anyone have an idea? Okay, yeah. That sounds good. Everyone going to bed. I need to go to bed too, but see if I can figure out how long it takes how long it takes for an EOT to flash.
want to collect.
Ads. I'm staying up all night, but well, that's not good. I want to see how. Oh, okay. He has it flicker like that. Okay, time to be able to replace your script. Clone. Workspace.eot. For in pairs workspace get if I dot name is equal to clone dot oops, no, not clone. Clone dot parent equal to I dot parent. Alright. There'll be an OCS set at some point. Just a lot of this stuff takes time. Okay, so we probably should time to test these EOT stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy one of these cars. Just throw it on the main line here. Run. Alright. Take forever for it to load, but we should be able to see how the flash rate of the... Yes, this will be entertaining. I will once I make sure that I like the EOT flash rate. Ah, shoot. Well, that's not gonna work because I hit run and I can't click the coupler, so... I don't think I can click the coupler at least, because I don't have a player when I hit run. That's not good. There's a bunch of something broken. Okay, something's broken here. Oh, wait a minute. Are these... These are all anchored, right? Yeah. Something's broken. Okay, hold up. Everything's broken. There literally shouldn't be any errors. Yes, I always break the game. First things first is I want to delete all the trains on the map. I know someone added trains, and I'm like, no. Got rid of them for a reason. There's a spawner for a reason. Hold up, hold up. Sorry, but hold up. I have them off the main so that I can try and figure out what's wrong with everything. Because this problem is that there shouldn't be, like, there should be, like, I think there's only, like, one error that should just show up. If there's other errors, like this network API is not right. Something, oh, it's... Something's broken. Someone did something. Okay. Those cars won't be in the actual update. I'll leave them for now, but... Yeah, we're gonna get rid of the quack thing. I'm gonna look at the script here. Oh. Something's causing errors and I don't like it. Well, I'm definitely staying up until I figure out what the heck's causing errors. This is nice chill. Yeah, there will be steam trains. Not for a while though. It's not gonna be for a while. Not gonna be for a while, that's for sure. There'll be steam trains. And don't worry, not behind a Game Pass. There won't be any trains locked behind Game Pass. Okay. That's more like it. Now, something's wrong with that whole... Okay, I know what's happening. I know what those errors are. So that's okay. I'm liking that there's only 3 errors so far. That's good. Especially since I know exactly what they are. And how to get rid of them. The real problem is when there's an error and you don't know what it... Oh, here we go. Oh, that's the F3X. Okay. That's better. Okay, that's still broken. More or less. Okay, well... First things first is to... James, it's not like that we just made these cars real quick. Rafe's been working on that car for like a day, the coil cars for like a day. And I've actually been working on just the pipe load itself technically for 2 days, so it might seem like we're kicking out real fast. It's actually a lot of work. As you can see, just a small little EOT sound effects and flash is taking a while. Okay, let's go over to this engine because somebody broke it. Broke it, and guess what? I don't feel like... Not my problem. When in doubt, just delete it. Alright, now, to figure out what's going on. Wish it would tell me what car is having that issue. Alright, back to this. So this part's working. Let's try that. Okay. Yoink that. Yoink. Let's try. What do you want, Rafe? Yeah, it's called F3X. Oh, how many did you make? I swear. Too early for this. Good thing there's something called shift. Okay. 30 minutes until the morning. Loading. Not too early into this one to 2 a.m. Are you referencing the one time when we were messing around with the disco unit and that other thing? And the other engine that I don't think anyone ever found? I think one person found it. Nope. Why does it get faster? The heck? Still broken. The game's not going to be updated in the next... most likely won't be updated in the next 24 hours. Maybe Tuesday. Eh, it could come out technically today. The 12th. It could. I don't know. Depends on how much we work on it tomorrow. And it also depends on when this gets fixed. So, the weird thing is turning it off works just fine. The flashing part doesn't work at all. Oh wait, I have an idea. Else. That's probably what it is. I love logic errors. I'm just kidding, the sarcasm. I hate logic errors. Suck. Okay. You know, I'm gonna be playing the game, and I'm gonna look underneath. Like, we're gonna be messing around, and a table's gonna be removed, and there's just like a big old quack just underneath the table. Actually, don't. Oh god, I gave him an idea. All right, let's fix it. The fun thing with the EOT though, it's like a kid, like that means the kid would be like playing, and he gets faster exponentially. Just like, sorry for the high pitched squeal. And I bumped my microphone again. Can it hang right down? Work, please. My sanity. Whoops. dog noises because I'd be watching Instagram. Okay. The heck? What mod? Oh, that's the yeah. Okay, I know what that's happening. Oh, someone broke something. Okay, now it's working better. Sadly, the sound be like that. We'll replace the sound at some point, but you know. Alright, I think we're good now. You know what, we'll just go ahead and wing it. We'll even, for the testers, we'll even insert the other cars. Oh, so many models. Okay. There's that. Alright, now we just have to insert them into the server storage. Try it again. While we're waiting. Send that to publish. Who in the world? Oh! Don't know how those got there. Oh shoot, wait, what? Oh, never mind. Okay, sorry. Thought I broke something. Okay, now we go send to publish. I have been thinking about replacing the rolling stock sounds. Oh yeah, I also at some point need to figure out how to do like going around a curb or something like that, like a tight curve. Makes the squeal, like the flange sound, like the high-pitched squeal. That noise they make go around a horseshoe curve, or if you're watching like a diamond, like Deschler or something like that, where they have that tight corner. Ear splitting. Late night deving is the best because your mind slowly starts to fall apart. We'll have a train of pipes, because why not? Oh, I still have it called rock hopper seas. But I gotta fix that. Where's the rock hopper? Oh. Gonna have a nice pipe train, boys. Oh, when I went to Deschler a little while ago, I even recorded trains for that specific purpose. You want me to murder your... Ooh, got a new microphone and everything. Hold up, don't worry, I can murder your eels. I shouldn't have said anything. Okay, I'll stop. Probably just murdered every heaven user in existence. Yeah, I gotta go below the spawn. 9 on 10%. Hopefully that doesn't get too annoying. Yeah, no kidding. I think it's partially because his understanding of music was so great before he went. Yeah. Like the only way I think. No, I feel like there's, I don't know. I'm not, I probably should stop talking. I don't know anything. Alright, let's just go railfan over here, and then we'll go. We still need to replace, I still have to make signals, like I have to remake those with the new signal style. Alright, and then we'll go railfan like right here. Now we'll go here. Rail spinning time, boys. I hear an engine. Oh, hello. Okay, hold up. Let's make it night. I'm gonna use real time, which is Eastern Standard Time. We'll just stick the train like this. Alright, let's be quiet. I think I'm happy with that. Oh. I see all the way down. I can see all the way through the train. That's funny. Maybe I should make it so you can hear the... Nah, I think it's fine. COVID-19's not gone, that's a lie. It's not as prevalent, it's just not been eradicated. There's someone behind it. No, that's a milepost. It's not truly gone. Actually, if anything, it's spiking back up again. My mom works at a heart failure unit at a hospital downtown, and she actually told me today that a week or two ago they had 0 COVID patients, and now they have 9.
Defect detector.
So it's spiking back up.
Milepost. 4. 5. Track. 2. No defects. Repeat. No defects. Total axles. 3. 8. Total cars. 9. Detector
Yep,
route.
Michael. I love that thing. It's one of my favorite pieces of math ever. Oh, I hope this isn't collidable, because we're... Oh, wait, it isn't, because guess what? My coding is awesome. Just kidding. Into infinity! Okay, you can still hear it over the train going, like, full speed. Alright, I'm liking that. Okay, you're not supposed to be going that fast. Alright. There was 9. And it counts the locomotive, so 8 cars, 9. 1 loco. Oh, I don't think I've shown anyone, like, live stream wise. Here, I'll get back on. We're gonna play with some of the... We're gonna play with, the passenger train. There's nothing special. It's literally just stop at the station for like a minute, and then... How many people got watching now? Oh, still, holy cow, we still have 11? Diesel beats. Yeah, this paint scheme's just right now. It's just temporary. It's just that's what I got. All right. Where's the passenger cars? What are the amp fleets? 1, 2. What? Rafe, did you shut down the game? Who shut down the game? I want to play with the passenger train. Who shut down the game? I swear to God, who kicked me? Who kicked me? No, oh yeah, you totally did it. You said maybe. Okay. Take 2 at... Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. 5. That's not right. Excuse me. Oh, I know why that was not right. It's because of this. All right. We're gonna speed run to the first station so we can show you passenger service. All right, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and real time. We'll go ahead and line ourselves up here. Just because aligning ourselves is fun. Makes stuff look cool. Alright. Oh, it's back to like 45. Dispatcher and rolling in like trains at all won't cost, won't be game passes. Yeah, and dispatcher's free. Really does? Oh, it's Jake doesn't work. You have to do failing. Why doesn't it work? Cause I can do 2U. What? Try. Yeah. 2R. Yeah. What the heck? Huh. That's weird. There you go. Price. Amtrak's coming. At 8.
Defect detector. Mile post. 4. 5.
No, there's no game
Track.
pass for it.
2. No
There's
defects.
no game pass for trains or dispatcher.
Repeat.
No,
No defects.
Negative on
Total
this
axles.
game pass.
2. 8. Total cars. 7. Detector route.
As of right this second, right now, the only game passes that I can think of, well, right now there's 2. There are double money, which gives you double the money earned for each drop off, which I do have, so my money's gonna go up more than yours probably would if you don't have it. And then double run speed. And then I'm thinking about adding infinite money, which it isn't actually infinite money, but it's basically infinite. So every time your money drops below like $1 million, it just makes it $1 million type of thing. So you always have enough money. And it'd be an expensive game pass, but you know. Oh, why? Good thing I have this. Oh, you have so many of them. Oh boy. No, we're gonna go like this. Okay. This is why we don't screw around. How much money do people have in this testing game, in this place? Oh, you suck. I can't really get mad at you for you figuring that out, though. That's smart. I can't really get mad at that, can I? I can get annoyed at that, but I can't really. I shouldn't get mad at that. So yeah, steam engines will come at a later date. They will come, but not soon. We're cruising down to the next Amtrak station here. I think the red scheme looks nice. It's simple. Basically the Amtrak scheme, but red and gray. Alright, here we go. We're coming up on the station here. I think I'm going to show off the station, the passenger stuff, and I'm going to end the stream because it's late. Oh yeah, we also have this stuff at the station, lol. The museum tracks are starting to get populated. For any of you who don't know, these two crossings here are quiet zones, that's why they've got the quad gates. Alright, we got 9 deliveries. We should get a plus of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have 15 deliveries. It gets 14. Oh, what? You're right. There's only 5 cars. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's 15. I was looking at this angle like, wait, no, you're right. I was like, wait, no. It'd be 15, otherwise I did something wrong. Hey, look, there we go. We got 15. And I went from 70 to that much money with the double game pass for 6 cars by just pulling up to the station. That's like 2 or 3 locomotives. I mean, people complain about that. It's like, it's just play the game for 30 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes before it. Into the night it goes. Oh yeah, I was thinking about making it so you got money for just by playing the game. Do you guys want to? We should do that. Then that'd be AFK farming. You know what? Show me. I'm curious on what what you're thinking. As long as it doesn't take forever. Are you just spamming a bunch of parts and you're just gonna make them all? Yeah, you're just gonna make a bunch of parts on Anchor to the side. I know what you're doing. I forget the clone command. Hold on. I can feel it lagging. Oh, Shift C. Gosh. Actually, what you do then is then you just go like. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, Shift C. Yeah, it's 1 o'clock here too. Okay, I did lots of cloning. Yeah, I remember we actually crashed an op session. Someone did at the beginning of it by doing that. This is... Yep. Okay. How many people are still watching? 13 people watching still. Holy cow. Okay. Well, gonna go ahead and call it a night. I don't know, you have to go play the game and find out there's a leaderboard at Alton. Because we're playing the dev build and our data stores are different, but what do you want, babe? Before I close this. Well, I'll go ahead and put it on the wait screen here. I need to have an ending screen. No, I'm gonna go to bed so that I can work and do stuff tomorrow. Good nights, everybody. Probably be on tomorrow at some point.